tell you in the next class. Today I am going through Google Colab. Just go through Google and type Google Colab. You can get it. Just click here. And you can find the here recent Google Drive, GitHub and upload. Here you can just go through new notebook. It give you new notebook for execute the program which is in the form of Python.py. Now you can see here in the screen showing the lines for execute. Before you going to your you connect, press here connect. It's allocating space. Thing is, it is going through cloud. It's not using your system storage. That's why it's very fast. Means that if your system is slow, something else, your storage is here is showing RAM and disk. Now you can execute the program. Now we go through the Python. Just we are going to consider this is a class 1. Sir, if you mention adding anything, you can put it like hash. If you put it hash, it's not taking. It's a comment line. Just class 1. Then it is running now. It now you can start program. Your text is there. You can text here like exercise. I will consider exercise. Exercise 1. Let's consider syntax. Now, if we are taking a syntax variable, syntax, and your syntax is like variable and value. If you're giving any variable, that is your name, that is Ram, is equal to one number, which is given to that value to that variable. The variable is nothing but whatever you give, any name you give, you mention that value, like it's in the form of variable name is equal to value. Let's see next. Next, now we will see the start the program. Means we go through the very simple program that is start with variable like a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 10 and c is equal to 15.16.75. This is the variable assignment. This a is equal a is means 5, b is equal to 10. Whatever you give the value, your name you can give the your name and is equal to value. Whatever the value you can give. You can comment here also like put hash and variable assignment. Okay. Next, what is these are type? What is a is equal to 5, b is equal to 10? Next, you just run it. Just check what is the type of a means what is it argue. You see type is argue. Just run it. Run means you shift and enter run, or you can click the here. You can click this button, click this button or control shift. You can shift enter, you can execute the program. Now is showing type A. What is the type A is there? This is the integer. A is equal to integer. A shows integer value. It's a 5 is integer. Okay. One minute. Next, we go through what is the b is also integer. See, just check, type C, is enter. It shows float. Is a C is the float type, floating type. You can give the any variables name like z is equal to I. You can execute control enter, or you can, it means what is the z type. You see, type z is equal to, it is a string. It is a string. We can see the next chapter string, what is the string and the functions of string. Now it is a just introduction. See, this is the just simple. In the whatever the variable is given you, the value should be given. Variable is assigned that value. That value is maybe in the string or integer or maybe float. Next, we can go the type conversion. Type conversion or type casting. It is also called type casting. You know what is the typecasting? Typecasting nothing but you can convert into integer into float, float into integer. This is called type conversion or typecasting. Next, you see already, you see type C is equal to float. Just add type one more time. Type C is equal to, this is the float. We can convert into the integer. Just type int bracket of C. What C? Let's see. The result is showing value. Next, means that what we are given here 16.75, but if this float is converted into integer 16. Let's see. But one thing, you know, just check float C. Still type C is showing still float because of original value shouldn't change, but we cannot convert into integer, but original value should be original value as the same. Whatever the thing before the C allocation, whatever the variable number C has a 16.75, when you the type is shouldn't change, but we can convert into some purposes only. We will discuss more in next classes. Now we can move on. How to convert? This is simple thing. When the print C, you can say you just print it. See, original shouldn't change. The same thing is there. You see now, original value is same because shouldn't immutable. You can convert into, you seen how to converting float into integer. Now you can convert integer into float. Very simple. A, a value A is equal to float to A. Now just A enter showing, run this 5.0 is converted into float, but original value whatever you are assigned, that it's in the format of integer only. Just check type A is an integer, sorry, it's a float. Type A is equal to float, but if you print it A showing value, means that you are seeing whatever the float value is there, you cannot convert into integer. It is immutable, but you can convert into integer fully into float. Next, I will just show another heading. If somebody told you take the input from I am told you ask input from another how to take the input in the program. I will show how to take the input from other. The just input is a what is input? Input is a function that takes the value from the person. What means that input? What is the? It may be integer, float, to anything. It is a function. It takes value. Okay, right? Okay. Next, how to take input? Just enter a variable name. Variable is anything. Just you can take as a integer input, the float input, anything. Just check up integer input bracket. You clearly seen it is an Python is a case sensitive. You should be enter the what is the rules means all are little small word. Just here double comma. Just enter a whatever number. Enter a number or value. Anything you can just run it. Run means how to run already. Just click here. It is an or shift and enter. Showing value. Shift. You take how enter the how run just enter, click this button or to press enter. Okay, remember this. Now come to topic. Here a is integer value. A is a variable. It may be integer. Take input. See the bracket. Please enter the correctly, and it should be in the. If you enter anything in this bracket, if it is in string, it should be in the double indicator or single comma. Okay. Next, we will move the same topic. Simple topic is here only. If you are assigning a value is 5, b is equal to 5. Okay. You can add the value like I will give you 10. Okay. Will give 10 value and run this. And here we can some add addition, subtraction, anything we can do. I will start it from a plus b. Run this program. We showing 5 plus b, 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. Okay. Now a minus b. Run this program. See what is minus 5 means 5 minus 10. Okay. Next b divided by a. You can do a divided by anything. So if you divide the thing, divide the variables, it should be take the float value means 5 by 10. Sometimes coming what is dot values, float values will come. That's why taking the system itself, software itself taking is a float value. Okay, now addition, subtraction, divided by multiplication. A into star you can use B, enter 50. Okay, yeah. Next one, A by shake up and easy understanding of showing a more remainder. See, and the remainder means you know what is also no remainder. What is the remainder? Remainder means 10 divided by, sorry, remainder when you divide it by the number, there is nothing should be remaining. It is like 10 divided by 5 means nothing is left. Everything is divided by. If it is anything means 11 means 10 by 2. If it is a value is 11, B is 11 by 2, you can find having the remainder 1. Okay, simple thing. If you next one, if you want to calculate the square root, how you calculate means vector way is a raise of a power of b is showing a power of b. Okay, next through our pass, I can see the through our pass program. And just like a variable given, I given variable result is equal to b is less than a. Actually, we know b is 10, a is 5, b is less than means we should be pass. Let's see, we run this program. It sorry, just run the b greater than a is true because b is 10, a is 11. Okay, suppose b is less than a, just run it, pass because it is showing through our pass. Next, this is showing this is the Boolean type. This is the type of program is Boolean type. Okay, let's see, type is equal to result. Sorry, result is equal to b is greater than single. Just what type of the program this is? Just result. This is the Boolean algebra, Boolean type of program. Okay, friends, this is the things done today. Next topic, we are going to the conditional statement. Next video is video about conditional statements. Okay, in that we can see if elif and else. We can see in this topic, we can see tomorrow these three topics very important topic. In the next video, we can see. Please subscribe my channel and share and comment. I have started new channel. Please subscribe my channel and share the channel. Please encourage me make a more videos. I'm explaining very easy. Any child can be understanding my language. Please share, comment, like. Next, we will see next video. Thank you guys. Bye.